Look at this 50-year-old man. Now look at this one. One looks strong, athletic, almost 30 years younger. The other looks like he could be his father. But here's the shocking part. They are the same age. The difference? One trained like a Soviet soldier, building real strength without gyms or heavy weights. The other spent years lifting heavy weights the wrong way. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful exercises they used that can completely transform your body after 50. Without lifting heavy weights. Exercise 1. Wall sit. The wall sit looks simple, but this one hold can expose weak legs faster than almost any exercise. That's exactly why most people do it wrong and get almost nothing from it. Setup. Back flat against the wall, feet shoulder width apart, knees bent to a 90-degree angle. Your thighs should be parallel to the floor. Arms crossed over your chest or extended straight out. Your back must stay in contact with the wall the entire time, and your knees track directly over your feet. Common mistake, letting the knees cave inward. When that happens, tension breaks and stress shifts to the inner knee. Why it works? A regular squat loads the quads for about 2 seconds per rep. A wall sit keeps the quads, glutes, and hamstrings under tension for 45 to 60 seconds continuously. That constant tension is what forces the muscles to adapt. Target 3 sets of 45 to 60 seconds, 3 times per week. Add 5 seconds every week. In a month, your legs will feel stronger than they have in years. Exercise 2. Loaded carries. This might be the most important exercise for men over 50, and almost nobody does it. Why? No mirrors, no fancy machines, just you carrying weight. Life is basically one long loaded carry of groceries, suitcases, buckets, grandkids. If your body can't handle it upright, that's when things start breaking down. Most guys train muscles. Loaded carries train your whole system. Grip, core, shoulders, hips, posture, all at once. Soldiers and strongmen have used them forever because they build strength that actually transfers to real life. Studies show they improve balance, walking mechanics, and core stiffness. Done correctly, your body braces automatically with no crunching, no twisting. That's the kind of strength that prevents back injuries. How to do it? Grab 2 dumbbells or kettlebells for a farmer carry, or 1 for a suitcase carry. Stand tall, chest up, ribs down, squeeze the handles. Walk slow and controlled and fight any lean. Start 20 to 30 seconds. Rest 3 to 4 rounds. Go lighter than you think at first. Once you can walk tall without your shoulders creeping or grip failing, go heavier. Bonus. Loaded carries don't just make you stronger. They make you more confident in your movement. You stand taller, walk steadier, and move with control. Exercise 3. Dead hang. Most men over 40 walk around with rounded shoulders and reduced grip strength. The dead hang fixes posture, grip strength, and spinal compression. Setup. Grab a pull-up bar shoulder width apart and hang, but do not hang passively. Active hang. Pull your shoulder blades down and back before letting your body weight settle. This activates your lats and stabilizes the shoulder joint. Common mistake, letting the shoulders rise toward the ears. Target 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. Build to 60 seconds over 4 weeks. You don't need heavy weights to get strong after 50. Consistency with these exercises builds real strength, better posture, and confidence in daily life. Start today, stick with it, and watch your body transform.